Hello, everyone. I'm back with English Flow Podcast. Welcome to another life-changing shadowing session. I know that feeling all too well. You've been learning English for years. You can read menus perfectly. You know every food vocabulary word in the dictionary, but when the waiter approaches your table, your mind goes completely blank. You point at the menu like a confused tourist. You mumble this one while your face turns red. You avoid restaurants with friends because you're terrified of ordering out loud. Do you feel invisible when it's time to speak up at restaurants? You know exactly what you want to eat, but the words just won't come out right. That's exactly why we need this shadowing method. No more embarrassing moments. Just confident restaurant conversations. Here's what I want you to do. Give me 30 days, 30 real-life situations. Before you try to impress people with fancy restaurant vocabulary, make sure you can confidently order your favorite meal first. Sounds reasonable, right? But when you're actually sitting there with the waiter waiting, you freeze up. You translate every word from your native language. You panic about pronunciation. You order the wrong thing just to end the conversation. Let me share a game-changing secret. All that food vocabulary you've memorized, it doesn't help you have natural restaurant conversations. You know why? Because native speakers don't use complicated culinary terms. We use simple, everyday phrases that somehow confuse you. That's what we're going to fix through real restaurant conversations. Learn 12 must-know restaurant phrases through everyday native expressions, using the simplest words that somehow trip you up. Why? Because we use them in specific contexts, not isolation. So here's the method. Just listen and repeat. Hear a phrase? Say the phrase. That's it, give me 30 days. And I guarantee you'll order food like a native speaker. No more awkward pointing. No more translation delays. Just smooth, confident restaurant English flowing naturally. Are you ready to commit to these 30 days with me? Let's start shadowing. When was the last time you avoided eating out because of language anxiety? You see a new restaurant, your friends suggest going there, but your stomach drops. Or someone says, let's try that Italian place tonight. And you find every excuse to suggest ordering delivery instead. Today that fear disappears forever. Day 5 starts right now. Restaurant ordering. Follow me step by step. Shadowing round 1. Repeat after me. Hi, table for 2, please. We'd like to see the menu, please. What do you recommend today? I'll have the chicken pasta, please. Could I get that with no onions? What comes with that dish? Can we get some water to start? We're ready to order now. Could we have the check, please? Everything was delicious, thank you. Is service charge included? Keep the change, thank you, perfect. 12 essential phrases for every restaurant visit. Notice how each phrase is polite, clear, and perfectly natural. This is exactly how native speakers order food every single day. Those phrases you just repeated? That's exactly how I talk when I go out to eat with friends and family. You're already sounding more confident. Now let's put them into real action. Real restaurant conversation practice. Now we'll practice a complete restaurant experience. I'll speak naturally, but clearly. You repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Story. Sarah and Mike order dinner at Tony's Italian restaurant, all 12. Essential phrases will appear naturally in this conversation. Watch how they flow seamlessly together. I'll play the hostess first. You repeat after me, good evening. Welcome to Tony's Italian. How many people tonight? Hi, table for 2, please. Now I'll be the waiter. You repeat after me, right this way, please. Here's your table. We'd like to see the menu, please. Of course. Here are your menus. Can I start you with some drinks? Can we get some water to start? And we'll need a few minutes to look at the menu. Absolutely. I'll be right back with your water. A few minutes later, have you had a chance to look at the menu? What do you recommend today? Our chicken Alfredo is very popular, and the salmon special is excellent tonight. That sounds great. I'll have the chicken Alfredo, please. What comes with that dish? It comes with garlic bread and a side salad. Any modifications? Could I get that with no onions, please? No problem at all. And for you, sir? I'll have the salmon special. Excellent choice. We're ready to order now. Later, after the meal, how was everything tonight? Everything was delicious, thank you. Wonderful. Could we have the check, please? Of course, I'll bring that right out. When the check arrives, is service charge included? No, gratuity is not included. Perfect. Keep the change, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Incredible. You just experienced a complete restaurant visit, did you catch that? All 12 essential phrases appeared naturally throughout the entire experience. This is how real restaurant conversations flow. Not robotic, not scripted. Natural and confident. See how smoothly you handled that entire interaction? You just completed a full restaurant experience. That confidence building up inside you, lock it in. Was that speaking speed comfortable for you? Comment slow if you need me to go slower. Comment fast if it felt too quick. Comment perfect if the pace worked well, I ask. 'Cause I want to adjust the speed to maximize your learning in tomorrow's episode. Duel. Perspective training now will practice from both angles. Every restaurant conversation involves two people. Customer and server will switch roles so you experience both perspectives. This is crucial. Understanding both sides leads to more natural, confident communication. Pause after each line. Practice out loud. Don't just listen passively. Actively participate. Round 1. You are the customer. I am the server. I'll pause for your responses. Scenario. Ordering lunch at a cafe. Are you ready? Here we go. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many today? Pause for your response. Hi, table for one, please. Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table and menu. Pause for, we'd like to see the menu, please. Wait, you already have it. Can I start you with something to drink? Pause for, can we get some water to start, and I'll need a few minutes. Of course. Take your time. A few minutes later, ready to order. What do you recommend today? Pause for, what do you recommend today? Our grilled chicken salad is very fresh, and the soup of the day is tomato basil. Pause for, I'll have the grilled chicken salad, please. Great choice. What comes with that dish? Pause for, what comes with that dish? It comes with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and balsamic dressing on the side. Pause for, could I get that with no onions, please? Absolutely. Anything else? Pause for, we're ready to order now. Or, that's everything, thanks. Later. How was your meal? Pause for, everything was delicious, thank you. Wonderful. Could we have the check, please? Pause for, could we have the check, please? Here you go. Pause for, is service charge included? No. Tips are appreciated but not required. Pause for, keep the change, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Round 2, you are the server, I'm the customer, now completely flip roles. Let's begin. You start, good afternoon, welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many today? Hi, table for one. Please. You respond, perfect, right this way. Here's your table and menu. Thank you. Can I get some water to start? And I'll need a few minutes to look at this. You say, of course, take your time. A few minutes later, excuse me, I'm ready now. What do you recommend today? You respond, What do you recommend today? No, wait. You give recommendations. You should say, our grilled chicken salad is very fresh and the soup is tomato basil. I'll have the grilled chicken salad, please. What comes with that dish? You respond, what comes with that dish? No, you explain what comes with it. You should say, it comes with mixed greens, tomatoes, and balsamic dressing. Could I get that with no onions? Please? You respond, absolutely. Anything else? Or, we're ready to order now. Later. This was delicious. Could I have the check, please? You respond, everything was delicious, thank you. Of course, here's your check. Is service charge included? You respond, no. Tips are appreciated but not required. Keep the change, thank you. You respond, thank you so much. Have a great day. Outstanding. You just mastered conversations from both perspectives. That's advanced level restaurant confidence. Feel that transformation? Your daily practice missions. This is your confidence building homework for today. Mission 1. Master the 12 core phrases. Practice them 4 times throughout the day. Morning coffee, lunch break, afternoon, before dinner. Mission 2. Shadow mastery. Repeat the complete Tony's Italian story until you speak as smoothly as me. Mission 3. Dual role practice, both customer and server roles. Record yourself if possible. Mission 4. Pronunciation polish. Focus on clear word endings. Table for 2, not table for 2. It's not about perfect accent. It's about being clearly understood. Confidence boosters for common fears. Don't overcomplicate it. Just use your 12 essential phrases. They work in every restaurant every time. Here are real concerns I've helped thousands of students overcome. The waiter speaks too fast. Use, could you repeat that, please? I don't understand the menu. Use, what do you recommend? And what comes with that? I mess up my order. Use, could I get that with no? For modifications, I'm embarrassed about my pronunciation. Slow down. Speak clearly. They want to help you. Listen carefully to what I'm about to tell you. Today, you might still feel nervous about restaurant. Conversation, still. Translating menu items in your head, still worried about making mistakes in front of servers. But I can see your future clearly because I've guided this exact transformation thousands of times before. This isn't just restaurant English practice. This is a complete confidence makeover from someone who avoids social dining situations to someone who suggests trying new restaurants. From I can't order properly, I know exactly what I want. From anxiety, excitement. From hiding, socializing, the neuroscience behind it. Every time you use these phrases correctly, your brain creates stronger neural pathways. By day 30, these conversation patterns become completely automatic. You're not just learning restaurant vocabulary. You're rewiring your social confidence. Remember this. Great opportunities happen over meals. Business deals get made at lunch meetings. Friendships deepen over dinner. Romantic connections happen at cozy restaurants. Your career advancement, your relationships, your life experiences, they're all waiting for the confident version of you. That person already exists inside you. I can see them clearly. The only question is, are you ready to meet them? If you're ready to transform your restaurant confidence, comment right now. I'm ready for 30 days of restaurant mastery. If you're nervous but willing to try, comment. I'm scared but I'll practice these phrases. Either way, I'm here to support your journey personally. Tomorrow's promise. See you tomorrow for day 6 of English transformation. We'll tackle another real-life situation that's been holding you back. Until then, practice those 12 phrases, use them, own them, make them yours. Your confident restaurant experience starts today. This is English Flow Podcast signing off. Keep flowing, keep growing.